Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to find out the fastest way to empty a bottle. So, let's get started. The first method is to do nothing special method. Just simply flip the bottle upside down. As you can see, this is a very slow process, because the air bubbles have to go in to fill the vacuum created inside the bottle. As the water leaves, these bubbles obstruct the flow of water. By the time it was completed, it took around 20 seconds. The second method is to move the bottle in a circle and create a vortex. As you can see, it creates a channel of air, which helps to leave the water with high speed. It took around 10 seconds to completely empty a bottle. Lastly, the pro method. We need a straw for this method. Attach the straw inside the bottle like this and fill it with water. Now cover the straw with your thumb and unblock the hole the time you flip the bottle upside down. This method provides a passageway for air to release, which greatly decreases the outside pressure. This method is the fastest method and it took around only 5 seconds. So that is it for today. If you like this video, do not forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Until then, bye.